Okay, two quick things to show you. First, how to raise your hand. Over here, you're going to see a hand icon, and when you hover over it, it says raise hand. So click it, and you have two options. Either you could do the orange one, please help, I don't know what I'm doing. So you could do that. You could click please help. If you press it again, it lowers it. Or when you're given a direction to raise the green hand, you click this, okay? So that gives an indicator to the teacher to come and check this page. So again, the icon is up here. You X this to close it. So the icon is here, raise hand, either orange that you need help or green that you were given a direction to raise it to check it. The other thing is right here. These are your bell notifications. You must check these during the lesson. So if I go over here and I look, left a comment right here, this sticker says you skipped. You got to come back and do this page. Okay. You can also see comment left here. You skipped this page, come back and do this. And here's a note in purple. Anytime the teacher leaves you a note, it's going to be in purple. Does not answer the question. Okay, the blue are directions. The purple are follow-up directions or comments from the teacher. Also look for stickers. So raising hand and checking for bell notifications. Both super important.